Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside GrowSurf. So GrowSurf is a referral marketing software. It is designed to help businesses to grow their customer base through word of mouth referrals. It allows companies to create and manage referral programs. It provides rewards to the existing customers for referring the products or services to new customers by offering rewards such as discounts, free products, incentives, etc. So businesses can very easily use GrowSurf to increase their customer base and to increase their sales. Now, I am going to show you step by step over here in this video that how you can set up connection between GrowSurf and Pabbly Connect to transfer the data from GrowSurf to any other application automatically. Now, we are going to set up this connection with the help of Webhook. So Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event. So here we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside GrowSurf. Before moving forward, we can see on my screen there are two windows, trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are basically the building blocks or the principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that I have multiple campaigns in my GrowSurf account which I've created for different products and services. So I want that whenever one of these campaign will end, then I want to capture the response with all the details and I want to create a record of that in my Google Sheets. So here I'm going to take GrowSurf in my trigger and Google Sheets in my action, and we are going to set up the connection. So here we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the campaign which we have selected will be ended, then only the details will be added in Google Sheets, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start setting up the connection between GrowSurf and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. So we will go towards the trigger step to start the workflow, and our trigger application over here will be GrowSurf. So let's select that. Now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. You can see we have three options over here: new participant rewarded, or campaign ended. So on the happening of whichever specific event from these options you want to capture the response, you can select that. I want that whenever a campaign will be ended, then the response should be captured. Okay, so here I'm going to select campaign ended as my trigger event. As we have done that, we have received one webhook URL along with some instructions. We have to follow these instructions step by step carefully to set up our connection, and the URL which is provided to us is going to act as a bridge because it is going to transfer the data from GrowSurf towards Pabbly Connect whenever a campaign will be ended. So let's copy this URL and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So we will follow these steps given over here. First of all, it is saying that you have to log into your GrowSurf account. I have already done that, so I'm going to take you over there. Now, this is my campaign on my account, and this is the option of campaign actions. We have to go towards campaign actions and the drop down, and here we can see the option of edit campaign. When we will select that, here is the option of options on the fourth number. So let's select options, and here we can see the option of view all integrations. So it is asking us connect to third-party integrations. For that we have to go towards view all integrations option, and when we will scroll down, here we will find the option of Webhook. So we have to select the Webhook option. We have to turn the drop down on, and this is the field in which we have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So we'll simply paste the URL. And now we can see that as we have done that, the webhook is enabled. Here we have to select the event on the happening of which we want to receive the response through this webhook URL. So let's select this drop down, and here we have three options: new participant reward, new participant, or campaign ended. So you have to select the specific event which you have selected in Pabbly Connect because you only want to capture the response on the happening of that event. Okay, I've selected campaign ended over here. Now we have to click on test. So it is asking, this is the webhook URL and you have to test this webhook for the event. So we have to select the event campaign ended, and then we have to click on send. As we have done that, we can see that the request is sent. That means the test data is sent successfully towards Pabbly Connect. So let's cross this and we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. Here we can see that immediately a test response is received. This means that our connection is successful. Here you can see that the event for which the response is received is campaign ended. So now whenever the campaign will be ended in our account, we are going to capture the response with all the details in Pabbly Connect. Let's click on recapture webhook response button. Because this was just a test response to set up webhook, here we are going to capture a new response now. How we are going to do that? By ending the campaign from our account. So I'm going to go back towards my GrowSurf account, and here first of all we'll click on save changes. and then we'll go back towards the campaign section. So this is my campaign. When I'm going to go towards campaign action, and here I'm going to click on end campaign. So now I'm ending this campaign. So I'm going to click yes, end this campaign. As we have done that, we can see that our campaign is ended successfully. So we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect and we'll wait for the response over here. And we can see that as soon as we have ended the campaign from our GrowSurf account, the response is immediately captured. In this response, we have received the event name, that is campaign ended, this is the event which we have performed. Here's the status of this campaign, that is completed, the date and time at which the campaign was started. This is in the timestamp format. Here's the data name, that means the name of the campaign, Pabbly Connect, and all other details. Okay, this means that our connection is absolutely successful. So now, once we have set up the connection between GrowSurf and Pabbly Connect, I have set up this connection for campaign ended event. So whenever the campaign will be ended in my account, I'm going to receive the response in Pabbly Connect, and then further I can transfer this response automatically to any other application by adding the application in the action steps. Similarly, you can set up this connection for any other event as well. For example, if you want that whenever a new participant will be added in your GrowSurf account, then you want to capture the response for that and you want to create a record of all the participants, then you can go for that. Here, if I want to create the record, I can add Google Sheets in my action step, and even I can send the response of this campaign ended to my Discord channel or Slack channel by adding these applications in the action steps further. Okay, so these were the steps which we have to follow in order to set up Webhook inside GrowSurf. I hope this video was helpful for you and it is clear to you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.